Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Force Factor Nitric Oxide Booster, a supplement marketed to improve endurance, blood flow, and performance. We tested it and here's the breakdown. This formula relies on L-arginine and beetroot, which are common ingredients for boosting nitric oxide. When we used it before workouts, we did notice better endurance and slightly improved circulation. Pumps felt stronger and recovery seemed faster. However, results weren't extreme, and not everyone will notice the same boost. The pros are better circulation, a natural pre-workout effect, and affordable pricing. The cons are that it can cause mild stomach upset. Results may also vary, and it's not a replacement for overall training and nutrition. Overall, Force Factor delivers some benefits, but it's not magic. It's a solid nitric oxide booster for those who want a mild performance edge. This has been How to Learn to Keep It Smart and Simple and Scam Free.